This will be an informational public service announcement about what to do if a hurricane strikes the Ocracoke, North Carolina area. In this P.S.A, or public service announcement, we will explain what to do in the event of a hurricane. Today, we're going to go over what we call
Spores.
SPORES stands for S. Stay informed and monitor weather stations.
P. Prepare to haul out and evacuate.
O. Organize your go bag. We'll get into that a bit.
R. Reinforce and shut down your property.
E. Establish a safe shelter on the mainland.
And finally, S. Stay put until all is clear.
Whether you're a longtime resident of Ocracoke or vacationing for the summer, it's important to stay informed about the nearby weather patterns. You can do this by consistently watching the local weather channel or by tuning to the NOAA's weather radio station at 162.4 to 162.55.
Yeah, that's true. The weather can get pretty wild when a hurricane strikes. What you can do is head to the NOAA's website to see any possible cyclones up to 7 days before at nhc.noaa.gov. I repeat, nhc.noaa.gov. Whenever, or if ever, you hear a warning, prepare to evacuate in 48 to 72 hours before a warned hurricane cyclone is planned to touch down by ferry or plane.
Keep in mind that the ferries legally have to close if the winds in the area reach or exceed 35 miles per hour, which is about 56.3 kilometers per hour, and the airports would close after the warning's expected day of the storm is approaching. Your go bag is your emergency bag. You should plan with and pack it with your family. This bag would have everything you need: food, water, medical supplies, etc. You should be prepared to use one at least 48 hours before the hurricane is expected to arrive.
This bag should include the following: 1 gallon of water per person or per day, 3 days worth of non-perishable foods like canned goods and saltines, a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio, IDs, insurance papers, birth certificates/passports, and currencies like a credit card or cash, rain gear and a change of clothes, and some extras can include medications and first aid, flashlights and extra batteries, portable phone chargers in case of emergencies, and lastly, pet supplies like food and a carrier. An important step is to reinforce and lock down your property, even if it is just a little shed, before you leave the island.
This means to board your windows with whatever you have. The more, the better. Store outside furniture in your garage or shed. Insure or secure your boats near or to the dock on your property, if applicable. You should turn off all propane tanks before leaving. You should also shut off all utilities in the main breaker, no matter what.
You should establish a safe emergency shelter like a hotel, family, or a friend's house, and connect with any contacts if needed.
For example, if your relatives live in a safer area like inland North Carolina, see if you could stay with them until Hyde County officials say it is safe to return home to Ocracoke. Some key contacts are the Hyde County Emergency MGMT 252-926-4444, the American Red Cross 1-800-RED-CROSS, and the North Carolina Ferry Division 1-800-BY-FERRY. The number one rule above all else, under any circumstances, you should not return to Ocracoke for any reason until local Hyde County officials say it is safe to do so.
Stay cautious when arriving back on the island, for downed trees, power lines, and other things. In conclusion, we will give a brief review of the most important things to take away from this P.S.A.
Firstly, talk with your family and make a plan. This plan should fit with whatever the situation is.
Then, memorize what SPORES means with you and your family. If it would help you, make a poster of it. Here are some examples. Always remember what SPORES means. S. Stay informed and monitor weather stations.
P. Prepare to haul out and evacuate.
O. Organize your go bag.
R. Reinforce and shut down your property.
E. Establish a safe shelter on the mainland.
And finally, S. Stay put until all is clear.
Thank you for your time, and remember to stay safe.